I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clash of Clans app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. So then you click on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Clash of Clans app, or just click on search. Then here at Clash of Clans app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.